This is gonna be the tunnel elevator at the Museum of Fine Arts. They took the sign down, only just left elevator down. This is a Schindler big size wheelchair lift elevator that only goes a few steps. See, look how short the distance is. And it's wide too. I'm not gonna film all the other elevators because I already filmed these elevators. I already filmed all the elevators back in 2022 and filmed in 50 frames a second on my original camcorder. So I think those takes are pretty much good enough. I only just record these. I only record this and in the old vintage Esco, especially this one because it's pretty unique. Look how wide these doors are. Look how the segments are like backlit. There's your phone. It's like the door cover wouldn't even shut. Look at that neon light over there. All right, back down to B, where we're gonna end there. We're gonna end the video at B this time. No wonder they made this elevator so big. This is definitely an interesting find. Door close button does not work. See, it only goes like a short distance. Oh, here's the capacity. Wow, 6,000 pounds. This doesn't look that big. The Georgia Brown Convention Center freight elevator is a lot bigger than this one. See the short distance when people move out. See, look how much of a short distance this is. See, that is definitely a short distance on that staircase. So with that being said, that'll be it, and thanks for watching.